Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Korean skincare home remedies. Korean skincare is known for its natural, gentle ingredients and its emphasis on hydration. And the best part is, many of the ingredients used in Korean skincare can be found right in your own home. One of the most popular ingredients used in Korean skincare is rice water. Rice water is full of antioxidants that help to keep skin looking young and glowing. To make your own rice water, simply soak 1/4 cup of white rice in 1 cup of water for 30 minutes. After that, strain the rice, and use the rice water as a facial cleanser. Another popular ingredient in Korean skincare is honey. Honey is an excellent skin moisturizer and also has antibacterial properties. To use honey as a facial mask, simply mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt and apply to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off. Finally, green tea is another popular ingredient in Korean skincare. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that help to protect your skin from free radical damage. To use green tea as a facial toner, steep 2 bags of green tea in 1 cup of hot water for 15 minutes. Strain the green tea and use it to cleanse your face after washing. So, there you have it, 3 easy home remedies to use for your Korean skincare routine. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you next time.